Hi everyone, this is Richard. Let's talk about for each loops. So a for loop basically is a loop through a system a number of times, right? So, and you're able to determine the number of loops you go through. And they're called iterations, the number of iterations or iterators you go through. The for each loop goes over a list. Okay, so let's create a list. List my pets equals new list. So here, dog, cat, bird, snake, fish, hamster, turtle. Okay. In order to loop through the list, we're going to have var p in pets. It could be, string p in pets. You could do that as well. But since we're not going to use p, remember scoping, once we get out of the loop, it's going to be deleted. So the variable p doesn't mean anything. So we can just use p here or anything. Some people would say item or something like that. Okay. I'm just going to say p. I'm going to say item. I'm going to say p because we already did that and we did that here. So if we go ahead and print this out, we'll see that it actually prints it separately. Here we go, dog, cat, bird, and lists it accordingly because it loops through everything in and of itself. And so how many times does this loop through? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times, right? So it loops through with the p value dog, then it goes back and it loops through p-value cat, and then loops through and it keeps going back and forth. So as opposed to the number, which I need to count, a for each just goes through this list, one after the other. Okay, so I hope that's clear. How else can I do this? Well, can I use this as a for loop? Well, you could. What you could do is for int I, but instead of, we could do mypets.count, right? You could also do that as well. And then you could do and what you would do is my pets I. You could do this also, right? We'll just comment that out. That's the shift, control, and /. So if you print this out, it'll be the same thing too, right? So we'll go through the numbers because we're counting the numbers right inside of here. Or we could do the loop through it var p in pets. We can do that also. All right. So that's the for each, again, when using a list. Okay, thanks.